The color of each food indicates what its main properties are, and for that reason a balanced diet should include foods of all colors, every day. So that you don't miss any nutrients, in this article we suggest a smoothie of each color so that you can make sure you get everything your body needs throughout the week. Try these delicious smoothies for 6 days, and on the 7th day mix the ingredients to suit your tastes. Monday, white smoothie. The white smoothie is nutritious and has a slight tropical and spicy taste. But, mainly, it's good for the following reasons: improves circulation, fights liquid retention, acts against infections and strengthens your defenses, works as an expectorant. Ingredients for 2 smoothies: 5 tablespoons of crushed almonds, 50 grams 10 teaspoons of grated coconut, 50 grams 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, 10 grams, 2 glasses of water, 400 milliliters. How to make it: soak the almonds overnight. In the morning, blend them in the water for at least 2 minutes, until you get an almond milk. Remove the solids, but you can use them like flour to make biscuits or cake. Blend the almond milk with the coconut and ginger. If you like, you can sweeten it with some honey or agave syrup. As an alternative, you can buy the almond milk ready-made to speed things up. Tuesday, red smoothie. This delicious and antioxidant red smoothie will surprise you with how many benefits it has. Protects the heart, improves circulation, increases libido, prevents cancer, improves the health of the urinary system, helps maintain a good memory. Ingredients: 5 tablespoons of red fruits of your choice, 50 grams half grenadine, just the seeds, 1 organic red apple with a skin, 1 pinch of cayenne pepper, a glass of water, 200 milliliters. How to make it: blend all the ingredients until you get a smooth mixture, strain it to remove any remnants of the seeds. Use only a very small amount of cayenne pepper, especially the first time, in case you make it too spicy. This smoothie is slightly acidic, so you may wish to sweeten it a little. Wednesday, orange smoothie. This smoothie includes ingredients of yellow and orange colors for the famous beta-carotenes. They provide the following benefits: protects the skin, prevents cancer, combats aging, improves the health of joints and bones, helps treat digestive problems, improves sight. Ingredients: half ripe mango, 1/4 papaya, 2 glasses of oat milk, 400 milliliters, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 5 grams. How to make it: blend all the ingredients until you get a smooth mixture. If you don't have oat milk, you can make some yourself at home. Thursday, green smoothie. Green smoothies are currently very in fashion because they're very healthy and detoxifying. Despite their color, they're really delicious. Here are the benefits: improves the function of the liver and general digestive system, prevents constipation, prevents cardiovascular illnesses, detoxifies the body, improves sight, helps keep your teeth white. Ingredients: half avocado, 2 ripe kiwis, a bunch of spinach, some fresh celery leaves, a glass of water, 200 milliliters. How to make it: blend the ingredients well until you get a smooth mixture. The avocado will provide a very creamy texture. Friday, purple smoothie. This striking smoothie is full of antioxidants, so it has to be in your diet. Here are the benefits: fights aging, prevents cancer, stops urinary problems like cystitis, helps preserve memory, improves vision problems, relaxes the nervous system. Ingredients: 3 figs, fresh or dried, 3 plums, fresh or dried, half beetroot, peeled and grated, 1 glass of natural purple grape juice, without added sugar, 200 milliliters. How to make it: the figs and plums are dried, leave them to soak overnight. Blend the ingredients until you get a creamy mixture. Saturday, brown smoothie. This dark smoothie includes foods that vary from brown to black. Here are the benefits: provides a lot of energy and is a stimulant, improves the health of the urinary system, has digestive properties and improves intestinal function. Ingredients: 4 dates, 1 tablespoon of cocoa, 10 grams, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds or brown flax seeds, 5 grams, 2 glasses of water, 200 milliliters. How to make it: put the dates and the seeds to soak overnight, and use them in the same water for the smoothie. Blend the ingredients well until you get a smooth mixture. Images courtesy of Food Loves Writing, Madly in Love with Life, Antonio Picacia and Food Thinkers. How to cook vegetables that taste delicious every time. Creativity and knowledge. Now that's a recipe for making appetizing, tasty vegetables. Not sure how to cook vegetables that